how to add or change address in Anydesk. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be talking about how you will be able to change the address in your Anydesk sessions. So for example, you got the ID of your client or the person you want to connect to, and you want to add it to your sessions. So what you're going to need to do is, let's open a new session over here so that you will be able to see. This is what you're going to usually see, an empty remote address over here. So this is where you're going to enter the address of your friend or the person you need to connect to. When you connect to that, you will be automatically be able to see over here, this is what it would look like when you enter an address. Now you will be able to add this to your recent sessions. If you click this, you will be able to see this will be able to allow you to add it to your address book as well. As you can see, you can enter it as well over here so that you are able to save it as well for you to use later on. Now if you need to change it, of course, you can simply select this. So whatever was written over here, you can easily backspace it and change the information. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.